Our cabin filter lives inside our glove box. You want to open that up? Mine is empty. If you have stuff in it, that's perfectly okay. On the side, we have this little rod. We'll pull it off its holder, just like that. We'll just let that dangle. Now we'll take the side of our glove box. You want to push those in, and that'll release these little tabs. Let me show you once I get it off. So just push in, that releases. This little tab here, we just want to push that in just enough. It doesn't require a whole lot. Then our glove box just pulls out and separates completely. This little rod, if it falls out like that, no big deal. Let me zoom you in. Our cabin filter lives right behind here. There's a set of tabs on this side and a set of tabs on this side. We'll pinch them together and pull this whole tray out, and that's our cabin filter. My new filter came as a whole tray assembly. If yours is just the paper element, how we get that out is we just squish it on the sides, and that comes right out over the top of these tabs. And then you can put your new just paper element, slip it in there, and lock it in place, and use your old tray. Now let's install it. Just slide in our new tray, just go straight back until it clicks. There we go. And this says up, so you want that in the up position. That's it, let's put on our glove box. If your rod came out like mine, you can see right here, there's a little dowel. We want this bottom hole to go right over that dowel and lock into place. There, just like that, that holds it. Now we're ready to put our door back on. Put our door on, we want these little claws to go right in their spot. Put that on first. We'll slide this whole thing up until our ears lock into place, just like that. And then we'll put our rod on the side. We'll just snap that on. That's it. Close it. Make sure it opens. Nice. Good job. That's it.